Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, for the first time I'm gonna try to make coconut macaroons. Alright, quick and easy treat when you're at home or if you're on the go. Take for snacks or to give as a little gift idea or treats, you know, anyhow you want to do it, guys. Alright, here I'm using some medium desiccated coconut, mean shredded coconut anyhow, and this is the unsweetened one. You can go ahead and use the sweetened one because also this one is the medium blend, so it's finer, and I have about quarter cup. This one finished. I have about quarter cup of the regular, and I'm gonna add that. And then guys, I'm gonna add some sugar, quarter cup, 3 eggs, just the white, and I have a little bit of coconut milk. I'm gonna add a little bit as well, and that's it guys. Few ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt, less than quarter teaspoon. Just as my quarter cup of sugar, I'm gonna sprinkle this in. Now you just want to whisk everything until it becomes like it dissolve and together and all, you know. All right, that's enough mixing. You just want to make sure the sugar is dissolved, and that's it. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add about quarter teaspoon, quarter cup of coconut cream, just the cream. In order to get the coconut cream from the milk, you want to put it in the fridge, and then when it forms, the cream will come on top and the juice underneath. So this is the cream. I'm gonna put quarter cup, and now I'm gonna add my coconut. I'm adding it little at a time. All right, I'm not using the whole pack, so I use about 3/4. This one about quarter cup, and that's it. You want to give it a little mix. I'm gonna change this. You don't want to make them right away. All right, I'm gonna leave this so the egg and the coconut cream can soak up in the shredded coconut for about, I'm gonna leave it for about 2 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna grease my bake a little longer than 4 minutes. This is about say 7 to 10 minutes. Just leave it until it forms a little stickiness and soak up all that juice. All right, so when you have it like this now, we're just gonna form them. You can go ahead and you can use your hand and you can make a ball. Or you can just use the scoop as is. All right, so we're gonna make some balls. Some little round balls, guys. I want to make it a little high. All right, so when you have this ball, you want to set it right here. Pop them in the oven at 350, and I'm gonna bake them roughly about for say about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Take these out. Oof. Look how good they are. Yes. All right guys, I'm just gonna cool these bad boy down, and then I'm gonna show guys. Me not tell no lie, me have about 2 of them already. If you can't count, you will see no lie. Me and tell maybe more, me no know. All right guys, this is the final result. Easy coconut macaroons. And you know your girl put some extra coconut milk or coconut cream in it. Yes. You have to take your little time and take them off. All right, so you just want to watch out for it because they might stick a little bit, so grease it real good. I'm gonna break one and then I'm gonna show you. All right, There you have it. This thing can never focus, but anyhow, there it is, guys. Really nice and soft. Can you see that? There, finally the thing of focus. There you have it. All right, guys, and that's the other piece there. Soft and nice. Haha. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Simple way of making coconut macaroons. Mwah. Have a good day. God is good all the time.